Hey everyone, John from Popeye's Postcards. Today's quick hit, cool postcard finds. I'm going to focus on hand-drawn cards. I'll take you over and show you those in a second, but as you can see behind me, I'm slowly moving down here. This is all those postcards from the buyout and just some other unsorted stuff. But we're here for hand-signed postcards, or hand-drawn postcards. Okay, so here are 3 hand-drawn postcards that are actually up at auction right now. They're ending tonight, and I wanted to do this video because these two already have bids on. I'm sorry, these two have bids on them. I think this one is 30, and this one, I think they may both be 30, something like that. But let's go with this one first. So this one has a message on, but that's hand drawn and hand colored, hand tinted, and it's from C.J. Palmer out in Montana. Nice little drawing, I guess, of a steer. So a cowboy guy. This was done back in 1909. Now they could buy these blank cards and they could do their own artwork. And this one's an old postal card. So these postal cards were blank backed, and you could pretty much do whatever you wanted on the one side. So this is from 1906, and it's addressed to the Willow Horse Thief Detective Company in Wilkinson, Indiana. And I had to look that up because I thought it was a joke, but there were actually horse thief detection companies back turn of the century. So I think this person had a problem with the horse thief detection company or detachment or whatever it is, and they did like this caricature cartoon, private grounds, no shooting on this farm, get off, Willow Hoss Thief. So this person is pissed off at them. So this is at auction, no bidders on this. I can't remember, maybe I have it too high, but that's hand drawn. And probably one of the coolest ones is this one. This is 19 teens or so. And I didn't know if this was, printed at someone. It's definitely hand colored, but I'm not sure if, I'm 95% sure this is all hand drawn. It's definitely 100% hand painted. And then there's the name. I couldn't find that name. I'm not sure if it's C-U-T-E-S or E-T-U-S. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's maybe 19, I don't know, maybe 20s. But the back is a regular postcard back. But what they did was they enhanced, I believe they enhanced what was already there. Or that could be, that's just too good right there. There's no way someone printed that by hand. But this, no, they just enhanced it. That's printed as is. So yeah, these two are definitely already have bids on it, and this one, like I said, I can't remember what I had on it, but just really cool cards. So when you're looking for postcards or looking through postcards, keep an eye out for these hand-drawn cards because they can command a lot of money. So that's it for cool postcard finds, hand-drawn, hand-painted. Actually, we'll just call this one hand-drawn because those are hand-drawn. Maybe I'll do another one here in the future about hand-painted, and there are a lot of those out there. As always, I thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you found any really cool postcard finds recently. I thank you for watching.